Today is a very, very special day to us and very, very close to our hearts, especially when we are speaking about our young generation, men and women who are lost in drug addiction, alcohol addiction, depression, broken homes, and many other vices in the society. And we started a journey a long time ago, sometimes last year, to try and see how is it that we can be able to save our society so that they can be able to work with their own hands. And we can also save this generation from getting into depression, into untimely deaths, into broken families. And today we are here with these young men, as you can see. And we had a very good meeting in the morning because it is a series. This is a culmination of a series of meetings that we've been holding with them. And today they have agreed. They are ready to change. They are ready to walk the journey. But they have challenges. They are telling us if we stop the drugs, if we stop this bad alcohol, what will be the solution? When we are launching now properly this program. And that day we are going to collect funds purely for rehabilitation and wellness center. And as you can see, we have hundreds of them who are ready to do different courses, who are ready to be trained, who are ready to be mentored, who can even walk.
This is not a war of the deputy president. This is a war to save a generation, and we must come out as leaders. We shall no longer bury our heads in the sand like an ostrich. We must come out, fight this menace. It's a menace which is threatening a whole generation and future generations to come. And that is why we are holding this exercise, and it will be sustainable. We have talked with the county government, even if it means diverting some of the funds so that we can save a generation. We are ready to do that.
I appreciate the timely intervention by our area MCA and our neighboring MCA. We thank you for this timely intervention. I'm one person who have faced the consequences of alcoholism.